right. You want to find out how you can turn your $150 into 10,000 in literally 1 month? Watch until the end and trade with me. The trade closed in a profit. I'm gonna look for new entry points, and you meanwhile go to my Telegram channel via the link in the description, get the accurate signals, learn the exclusive strategies, trade with me on my real-time live streams, and finally find the entry point to your rich life. Hello everyone, today I want to share with you guys one simple way to make money in 2024 that can be applied by literally anyone, even if you're not familiar with trading yet at all. So today I'm going to show you one particular script. It's not new, but it's been working stably for years, and today I'll tell you about one strategy that'll let you turn your trade starting deposit of $100, which is your initial investment, into any sum you'd be willing. For instance, let's say our goal is making 10 grand, and in this video we'll make a step-by-step tutorial how to do it, which tools we're using for that, and we'll count everything so you can follow this plan daily and one day turn your $100 into 10,000. It's not as hard as it may seem, I promise you guys. What matters is following risk management and using a particular strategy I'm telling you about today. You don't need to analyze the chart at all. You don't need to learn anything. Just watch the video until the very end and you'll figure it out yourself. So first of all, we're gonna need this trading platform. Follow the link in the description and sign your first, or not first already, free account and make a $100 deposit. Now, this is our initial deposit. We gotta go to the finance section, click the deposit button, choose any payment method that is convenient for us. Cryptocurrency, for instance, we choose $100 sum. Click in the I have a promo code button right here and fill in the promo code that you can get from me if you message me directly. By the way, the link to my private messages in the description just as well. And or you can go to my free Telegram channel and find a personal chat with me. So we fill in the promo code, top up for $100, click and continue, paying for the application, and literally in like 5 to 10 minutes we'll have the deposit on our account balance. So guys, it's been literally 3 minutes as we topped up the deposit. I have $150. $100 are my main funds, and what's left is bonus money, but they're incredibly important as they're going to help us in earning big money a lot. So let's get back to our spreadsheet. And what's the point of it? Let me explain it to you real quick. I want to use the magic of compound interest to figure out how many days I need to reach $10,000 goal. Let's suppose our goal for every day is making deposit 10% bigger. This sum is pretty small, and honestly guys, 10% a day is possible to do, not straining, using the tools that I'll demonstrate you today. So on the first day we start with original deposit of $150. For the second day we're supposed to get $150, and we multiply it by 1.1, which is plus 10% to the initial deposit. In total for the second day we'll have $165. Let's repeat this procedure a few times, and then I think we can do something like that. So the Smart Excel spreadsheet will count everything for us. So let's do it like that. So what did we do? Excel counted by how much our sum is increased every day if we increase it by 10% daily. So 165 plus 10% is 181. 181 plus 10% is already 200, and so on and on. By the 10th day, we'll have $353, which is pretty good, honestly. But the most interesting part is only coming. Let's expand our spreadsheet for about 30 days, 31 days actually, and try to stretch this value till the 31st day. Let's see. Great, guys. If we increase the deposit by 10% every day, then by the day 31, we'll increase it by $2,600. This is already incredible, don't you agree? But let's try to make things a little bit different. We want to reach the goal in maximum short period of time, and as short as possible. We need to fit in 1 month at least. So let's try to increase the deposit by not 10%, but for example, 15% a day. Let's count and see what we will get. So guys, look, it's just perfect. If we increase the deposit by 15% every day, then by the day 31, the deposit will make up $10,931. This is how the magic of compound interest works, because you know we're adding 15% to not the original sum, not the initial sum, $850, but to the sum we already have on the balance. And accordingly, if we take $8,600 and increase it by 15%, this is $9,900 already, which means in the last day we'll manage to earn more than $1,300. This is just incredible, and the hardest part is following this plan, obviously. Now you likely have a logical question in mind. How do we make 15% a day? Let's try to do it right now. We only need one simple tool. Look, our goal for today is making only $22. It's really simple, I think. So we have the initial deposit, $150, and we need to earn $22. In order to do that, we need to either make 3 successful deals closed, each one will be $10, or 6 profitable deals, $5 each. Let's start with $5 and try to open 6 profitable deals today and see how it goes. We open the signals section and just copy the ones that the platform provides us with. We switch between currencies and be sure to find a signal that just came out, that has just appeared, a fresh and new one, and we click copy button. That's it, the signal just came out. The time of the deal is 1 minute. We just copied the signal and waiting for the result. Then everything depends on what will happen actually. If the signal is closed in a profit, great, we will fixate the first profitable deal and earn $4.60. This is the first small win, I guess. And if the signal is closed at a loss, we will make the bet amount 2 times bigger. Basically, we will double the trade's amount and copy the next signal. As a rule, profitability of these signals is not very high, but keep in mind that copying these signals, the chance of getting 3 or 4 losses in a row is a rare thing, you know. Of course, it can happen too, but you need to understand the chances are very, very low. So the first deal is going to be closed, and it brings us $4.60. Great! We have already have the first profit, and we're left to make 5 profitable deals. So we keep looking for signals. What matters the most is entering a deal in time. As soon as the signal appears on the platform, it's easy to check. Here's the time scale, and we see this signal just came out. It's written right here. This signal came out 6 seconds ago, and we're already late for this one. Moreover, the scale of progress is shown right here, around here, and here is the time of the trade. Well, we don't really care for the time of the deal. The most important thing is entering the signal that just came out in time. And of course, we don't necessarily need to enter the signal for 1 hour. We can choose 1, 2, 3 minutes. I think this time is more than enough. So the second trade is in process. Let's wait for the result and observe the whole process. Look guys, the deal is closed at a loss. It happens, yes. And what do we do in this case? We just double the deal's amount. So we multiply the previous sum by 2. We had $5, now it's 10. And we keep looking for a signal. What matters the most is entering the one that just came out, as I've already said. So guys, we found the third signal for 1 minute again. Just click the copy the deal button. What's the matter? We pointed attention to the percentage of payout and the sum of profit right here. In case of success of this deal, we earn $9.20. But we understand we've lost the first deal, so we take the first $5 out of this sum, and we get that if this deal closed in a profit, we will earn $4.20, which is fine too, actually. So in total, one profit, one loss, but at expense of this strategy, we will earn anyway. Isn't it wonderful, guys? This deal is likely to be closed at a loss, I think, so we take the doubled bet amount again, multiply 10 by 2, so we get 20, and we'll look for the next signal. Yeah, guys, it can happen just as well. So we are copying the signal that has just appeared. Now let's count how much we'll earn in this case. The profit is $18.40. Let's fill it in. $18.40. Then we subtract 2 losing deals, minus 10 and minus $5. So if this case is closed in a profit, we'll earn a little less, $3.40. But guys, just think about it. You know, 2 deals are closed at a loss, 1 in a profit. Even considering a really bad percentage of profits according to this strategy, we can earn. And moreover, deposit is counted in a way that we can increase the sum at least by 2 times. So to lose the whole deposit, in order to lose it, you need to catch 5 losing deals in a row. And there is indeed such a possibility, I'll tell you right away, but the chances are really small. And we'll talk about that in detail actually. Let's see how our deals go. The second set of deals is closed in a profit, and we get back to the original deposit, $5. We get another signal, and we copy it and wait for the result. If we count on deals, this is the third one. So the first one is a profit. The second series is closed in a profit just as well. This series consisted of 3 deals, and this is the third set, I guess. We need to get at least 6 of such series so we can reach the goal for today. Okay guys, the deals has lost. Let's make the bet amount 2 times bigger and wait for the next signal. We are copying it and waiting for the result. Great guys, the third set of deals is finally closed in a profit, and we already have $162.20 on the account balance. Today we need to make $172, so at least 2 to 3 more deals for today. $5 here. The next signal comes, we copy it, and we're waiting for the result again. Repeating everything I've told you about in the very beginning. So guys, the next important thing, this strategy works on currency pairs with 92% of payout only. So as you see, there are plenty of such assets, so be sure to watch the percentage of the payout. If the percentage is lower than 92, then as multiplying by 2, the next deal will be getting us less and less profit, which can spoil the whole math for you. There are a lot of trading assets with 92% of payout, so take only such assets with this profitability. So the fourth set of deals has finally got us a profit, those $3.40 that we needed, and now we have $165 on the account balance. Let's get back to the initial deal amount and repeat everything. So guys, as you can see, even though the signals are literally atrocious today, the deals are being closed in a profit only by the second or third time. Still, thanks to a clear mathematical strategy, we managed to earn steadily. Now is the fourth series of deals, which is closed in a profit. We get back to $5 deal amount, and we're left to open literally like one or two profitable deals. Great, amazing. Let's do that. Well, congratulations, guys. The goal for the first trading day is successfully reached. We needed to have at least $172 and a half on the account balance so we can fixate the first day with a 15% profit. We're setting a check mark right here in the spreadsheet, and we're done with today's trading session. We will get back tomorrow. I hope everything was clear today. What's coming next? We see we gotta increase the deposit by around $26. Let's count it a bit more accurately, actually. Yep, great. And by the way, we can do something like that. So in order to accomplish the goal of the second day, we want to increase the deposit by $26. After that, by 30, so that we can accomplish the third day's goal, and so on and on. In order to earn $26, we just fill in the sum right here, $30 for instance, and we see that we would earn 27.60 off of these 30, which fully covers our goal of the second day. And $30 is, for example, 6 deals, $5 each, or 5 deals, $6 each. Obviously profitable, of course, profitable ones. Well, since our deposit hasn't grown much yet, we'll keep trading with $5 deals, and this way trading steadily without having to overwork, spending literally like 10 to 15 minutes a day. If you're lucky enough, of course, in 30 days you'll reach your $10,000 goal. But honestly, this goal is pretty ambitious, and what I personally would do after getting to the 10th day, for instance, of the 10th day of this marathon, successfully is fixating the sum I initially invested, because you shouldn't get greedy after all. You gotta keep in mind that literally as little as 5 failed deals in a row and you will lose your entire deposit, no matter how big it is. So it's important to fixate your investments, guys, and at least some part of the profit, of course. Getting your profits from the market matters, guys. You can try your luck in this 30-day marathon. I'm sure some of you guys will handle it like 100%, but trading will be definitely getting harder and harder each day, since the sum on your account balance will be constantly growing, you know. So guys, try this strategy out. Share your results, please. Bye bye. See you soon.